Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano eLearn, Learning Made Easy. In my previous session, I have discussed about what is software testing. Now I am going to discuss about why do we need software testing process. We have primary reasons and other reasons to discuss on why we need software testing. What are the primary reasons here? The primary reasons being to ensure the system meets all its business and system requirements, to produce a defect-free product, to ensure a good quality product, to get more insight into the development lifecycle process, and to instill more confidence to make sure that the developed system, after testing been, there are no defects in it. Then what are the other reasons? Humans are fallible because humans have a tendency to make mistakes. They are not 100% perfect. So we need testing process to test the intended software. And the other reason, one of the other reason being legacy issues. These are the issues which result due to the use of third-party tools. In real time, we used to use more free and licensed tools, which are open source tools. So the open source tools usually have some existing defects in them, which thereby using a buggy tool will result in more defects. Hence, we need software testing. The next reason being we don't want customer to find defects at the end, and good test design is challenging and rewarding. Test design indicates the test case design. If a QA can able to design test cases very effectively to test the software, all the defects will, in the software being identified correctly, and if one can able to take up this challenge, this is a rewarding career. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.